Welcome to our channel for the packaging and printing solution supply. Today I will introduce you the die cutting punch product. There have been customers asking what are special of our die cutting punch. So today I will show you more details. First, our die cutting punch is made from high quality steel. This is a semi-finished material. And each of our die cutting punch has been done with edge hardened treatment.好，
别的哈，看这么扁，发对，知道的。
Also the customized punch. And this is from another manufacturer which has not done with the edge hardened treatment. So I put them together, you can see the difference. With this edge hardened treatment for the customized punch, it can achieve 1 million to 1.2 million impressions. Next, I will show you the spring punch. So you can see on the back of the spring punch, there is a slotted screw. And this is the slotted screw. And this is the copper head. You can see that there's a step on the copper head which makes sure that the copper head doesn't fly out from the punch body when it is pressing down. And this is the inside spring. Also for the copper head and the screw has a tape head, which ensures that the both of them sit exactly in the screw. So this ensures that each time it is a vertical pressing. And next, this is the heavy-duty side outlet punch. Why we have this heavy-duty punch? Because the normal with the normal set with the punch, there will always be the weakness mark like this. So we have this heavy-duty punch, which will leave no weakness mark on the heavy on the thicker material. And this is a 6-side with the punch. So the advantage of this 6-side punch can make sure that it doesn't turn around in the die cutting board. And all of our die cutting punch is packed in this blaster packaging, which is easy for you to see the remaining quantity, and also it keeps the punch in a good condition. This customized punch can help you solve the joint issues that cannot be achieved by the bending machine. And this is the joint block for the cutting rules, you see here. Mostly this joint can be done with welding, but the welding cannot make sure that this is cannot make sure for the flatness. But with this customized joint block, and make sure that the cutting rules is in the same level and with perfect flatness. The last thing I would introduce you is a perfect product, which is the combination cutting and creasing rules. Traditionally, this cut and creasing has been done by small pieces, with cutting small pieces of cutting rules and small pieces of creasing rules, and then there's the combination rule, which is processed by the bending machine. But now we have this better one, which is done by CNC. So you can see that this is a round creasing. Okay, so much for today's sharing. If you are interested in any of the punch products, or you want to try any of them, or either you need more details, you can always drop me a message. Thank you.